Ever started an RPG and felt buried under systems before writing a single line of gameplay code? That pain is real. But today we flip the script. AnyRPG Core gives you a complete open-source foundation for questing, inventory, dialogue, and combat, all without coding a thing. Out of the box, you get over 1,000 icons, 400 audio clips, 266 animations, and fully functional save-load systems. The modular wizard-style setup means you can prototype a full quest loop in an afternoon. Seriously, drag and drop your way to a playable demo faster than you'd expect. The documentation goes beyond written guides. There's a huge library of YouTube tutorials that walk you through everything from character creation to MMO-style networking. Plus, the developer is super active in the community, pushing updates and answering questions regularly. With 83 reviews averaging 4.86 stars, the community agrees this is a professional-grade toolkit that competes with paid assets. Users call it a massive head start and unbelievably generous for a free download. Fair warning, the character controller is a bit dated and the codebase is complex. Expect to refactor the movement system and fix some script errors on import, especially if you're on a newer Unity version. Plan an extra day for cleanup. The price? $0. That works out to 0 cents per game template, absolutely free. Grab it now and skip months of back-end work. Link in the description. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history, deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Trying to get a character to walk upstairs without bouncing like a pinball is a nightmare with Unity's default physics. This asset fixes that with a proper kinematic collide and slide algorithm that gives you buttery smooth movement across any surface. The code is open source, readable, and incredibly well structured. You can easily modify it for sprinting, wall runs, or zero-G. It handles slopes, ceilings, and tight corridors without the usual rigid body glitches. Perfect for anything from platformers to first-person shooters. Setup takes a bit of reading. You'll need to hook up your own input, camera, and animation, but once it clicks, you have a foundation that's far more stable than most paid alternatives. Plus, it's built for networking, so multiplayer projects won't turn into a sync nightmare. 183 reviews and a 4.82 average, the community loves it. Developers say it's the only kinematic controller worth using and call it an essential learning tool for understanding character physics in Unity. It's not plug and play. Expect a learning curve. You'll need solid C# and 3D math skills to add basic features like crouching. Also, some users report collision clipping on very steep geometry. A small patch solves it, but you'll have to dig into the code. Free, which means for $0 you skip at least a week of rolling your own controller. That's a huge time-saved ROI. Treat yourself to clean movement today. Link below. You want to add multiplayer to your game, but every solution feels like a black box of callbacks and latency headaches. FishNet flips that. It's open source, high performance, and gives you server authoritative movement with prediction and rollback right out of the box. Its API is incredibly clean. You can add networked objects and RPCs with minimal boilerplate. The library handles scene management, interest management, and even lag compensation for shooters. It's faster than Mirror and more feature-rich than Unity's netcode, saving you hundreds of hours on back-end logic. The Discord community is super active. You'll get real-time help from both the dev and power users. Full Unity LTS support from 2021 through Unity 6 means you're not stuck on an old version. And nested network objects plus a built-in prediction example make it feel like a premium tool. 215 reviews averaging 4.88 stars, the highest rated free networking solution. Users call it a game changer and the only networking library I trust for production. Documentation is a bit thin. You'll rely heavily on the Discord for best practices. Also, the free tier versus paid tier can be confusing. But once you get past that learning curve, you'll never look back. Free. Compare that to Photon or other paid solutions that charge per CCU. FishNet costs nothing and offers enterprise-level features. It's the business ROI king if you ever ship a multiplayer title. Links in description. Staring at a blank scene is the worst. This project gives you a complete, playable stealth game with charming low-poly graphics, fully set-up cinemachine, post-processing, and basic AI. You can finish it in one sitting and learn the core workflow of a real game. The package includes 2 character models, 3 enemy types, modular rooms, and full audio, all organized in a way that teaches you scene building and animation controllers. It's literally the project from Unity Learn, but extended with extra assets for your own levels. Everything works without errors, a true plug-and-play experience. You can open the demo scene and immediately run around hiding from enemies. That alone is worth the download if you've ever spent an afternoon fighting import errors. 4.64 stars from 137 reviews. Beginners love it, calling it a perfect first project and way better than watching tutorials. Once you finish the tutorial, you'll hit a wall. There's not much depth for intermediate users. The scripts are simple, and you won't learn advanced architecture. But as a starter kit, it's excellent. Free. For $0, you get a complete learning course that would cost $50 elsewhere. Absurd anchoring, less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Download and build your first stealth game today. Finding a pixel art character with smooth animations that actually loops well is tough. This Hero Knight comes with over 100 hand-drawn frames covering idle, run, attacks, block, jump, roll, ledge grab, and death, all beautifully animated. It includes a color swap shader so you can create endless palettes without touching the sprites. There's also a fully controllable demo scene and an environment tile set to test your level, perfect for prototypes or even as a placeholder until you commission custom art. Integration is a breeze. Just drag the prefab into your scene and the scripts handle movement, health, and animation states. The pixel art is crisp with no wobble, and the block and roll animations feel incredibly satisfying. 75 reviews and a near-perfect 4.93 stars. Users say it's the best free pixel character on the store and praise the fluidity of the walk cycle. The animations list is a bit messy. You'll want to reorganize them in your project. Also, the roll physics can glitch on sloped surfaces, but a quick collision box tweak sorts it out. Not production ready without minor polish. $0. That's free. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Add this knight to your project and instantly have a protagonist that feels alive. Link below. Unity's default terrain shader is fine until you see what MicroSplat can do. It's a modular system that instantly upgrades your terrain visuals with better texture blending, detail normals, and performance that's noticeably faster than the built-in solution. The core shader supports up to 32 textures on a single terrain with PBR and auto-generates normal and height data from your albedo. One button press converts your terrain. It also works with meshes via an optional module, so you can use it on cliffs and ruins too. You can start free and buy add-ons like anti-tiling, tessellation, or trip-planar mapping only when you need them. That means you get pro-level visual quality without paying for features you'll never use. The Discord support is fast and the system integrates with Gaia and other world-building tools. 4.87 stars from 149 reviews. Users call it the gold standard for Unity terrain and a must-have for any open-world project. Uninstalling MicroSplat is a pain. It can leave your terrains in a broken state. Also, the free core doesn't support HDRP or URP out of the box. You'll need to buy separate adapters. Plan your project pipeline carefully before adding it. Free. For $0, you get a terrain upgrade that would cost you days of hand-tuning textures. That's an unbeatable time-saved ROI. Download the core and see the difference. You have a great game, but your menu looks like a DevArt prototype from 2015. This asset gives you a sleek 3D world space UI with modern animations, customizable theme colors, and a fully functional loading screen, all prefabbed and ready to drag in. It includes 2 sample scenes, desktop and mobile layouts, with button and panel animations that feel premium. The theme editor lets you tweak colors across the entire UI in one place, and it integrates with TextMesh Pro right out of the box. Setup is truly drag and drop. You can have a polished main menu with settings placeholder and loading bar in under 10 minutes. The code has tooltips and is clean enough to modify. Plus, you get 7 custom cursors to match the style. 4.49 stars from 89 reviews. Users appreciate the professional look that rivals paid UI packs and call it a huge time saver for prototyping. It doesn't support the new input system, and some users report black screens on URP. You may need to manually upgrade. Also, the key binding screen is just a template, not functional, but for a free menu, it's a solid start. $0. That's less than the late fee on your parking ticket. For free, you get a UI that makes your game look polished from the first screen. Grab it now. Legacy tweening libraries allocate memory like it's going out of style, causing GC spikes in performance-critical moments. PrimeTween is completely allocation-free, 0 garbage collection overhead, and offers an API that's both modern and intuitive. You can animate anything with 1 line of code: transforms, materials, UI, audio, lights. It supports async await natively and integrates beautifully with the inspector, so you can tweak curves and sequences visually. The shake and delay functions are incredibly smooth. It comes as a UPM package with full source code and over 250 automated tests. You can extend it with custom types easily. The community is active, and the developer keeps it updated for all Unity versions back to 2018. A perfect 5.0 stars from 132 reviews. Users say it's the best tweening library period and that they wish they had switched sooner. The heavy use of method overloads can slow down your IDE's IntelliSense, and there's no native cancellation token support yet for async workflows. But those are minor trade-offs for the performance gain. Free. For $0, you replace legacy tweens and get a library that runs faster and cleaner. If one client project uses it, you've paid it off 100 times over. Download now. Fire effects are one of those things that can make or break the feel of a game. Getting the right glow, flicker, and particle behavior is tricky. This pack gives you a collection of fire-themed VFX for URP that look great and perform well. The effects include campfires, explosions, and torch flames with multiple variations. They're all set up with proper LODs and optimized for mobile-friendly performance. You can drop them straight into your scene without tweaking. Since it's URP native, you get consistent lighting and bloom integration. The particles use custom shaders that respect your pipeline settings, so no pink shader surprises. Perfect for fantasy RPGs or survival games. With 32 reviews and a perfect 5-star average, users love the quality to file size ratio. They note that the effects look like they belong in a AAA title despite being free. The pack is small, only a handful of prefabs. You won't get a huge library of effects, but what's there is polished. Great for filling gaps without bloating your project. Free, $0. That works out to exactly 0 cents per effect. It's an emotional win. Treat yourself to professional fire visuals without spending a dime. Link below. Building a city block by block is tedious, but this package gives you 45 different buildings and nearly 200 props, all modular, all with preset colliders and day-night window lights. You can assemble a realistic city in minutes. Everything is performance-friendly. The models are optimized with low polygon counts and efficient texture use. Dragging and dropping buildings is easy, and they snap nicely to a grid. The day-night variants for windows add instant atmosphere. You get everything you need: police station, fire department, hospital, bank, shops, and residential buildings. The props let you fill streets with benches, lamps, trees, and signs. It's a complete starter set for any urban environment. 62 reviews and a 4.68 average. Users praise the incredible value for a free pack and note that it runs great even on mobile. Upon import, you may get pink materials. You need to run the render pipeline converter for URP or HDRP. Also, some prefabs might be missing from the folder. You may need to re-import. A quick fix, but it's not instant. Free, $0. For nothing, you get a city kit that would cost $100 from a freelancer. That's absurd anchoring. Less than a single cup of coffee, you get a whole city. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.